Sonicare Toothbrush isn't charging? Don't stress. It's a pretty common issue and usually something you can fix yourself. Here's how to go through it step by step. First, check the basics. Make sure the outlet you're using actually works by plugging something else into it. Also, double check that the charger is fully plugged in and that you're using the original charger that came with your Sonicare. Some models don't work well with chargers from other versions, so using the correct one is really important. Next, give everything a quick clean. Wipe down the bottom of the toothbrush and the charging base with a dry or slightly damp cloth. Toothpaste residue, dust, and moisture can interfere with the connection, so get rid of any gunk. Let everything dry completely before trying again. Now, place the toothbrush back on the charger. Some models don't have a charging light, or it may not come on right away. Try positioning the brush directly in the center of the base and maybe wiggle it slightly to ensure it lines up perfectly. If the battery is completely dead, it could take 15 to 30 minutes before you even see a charging light. Leave it on for a full 24 hours, especially if it hasn't been used in a while, to give the battery a proper boost. Keep an eye on the light if your model has one. A flashing green or white light usually means it's charging correctly. A flashing orange or red light can indicate low battery or another issue. For certain models like the Diamond Clean, you can also try a soft reset. Hold the power button down for about 5 to 10 seconds until you hear a beep or see the lights change, then place it back on the charger. If you have another compatible Sonicare charger around, try it. If the toothbrush charges on that one, the original charger is likely the problem. Make sure to test it a couple of times to rule out loose connections or alignment issues. If none of this works, the battery itself might be failing. Most Sonicare brushes have sealed batteries, so you can't just swap them out yourself. If your brush is still within the 2-year warranty, Philips may replace it for free. You could check with a local repair shop, though official repairs aren't always available. Finally, if all else fails, head over to Philips support. They can walk you through troubleshooting, help with a warranty claim, or guide you toward a replacement. Remember, regular cleaning and proper alignment on the charger can prevent most charging issues, so make it a habit to check your brush and base regularly. Happy brush using!